Hello, good morning. I'm going to be vlogging my next couple of days and bring you guys along with me on my adventures that I'll be doing in Spain. Right now I'm getting ready to go over to my internship, so I'll just see you guys when I'm there. It's already 1:07, so I'm gonna head out for my lunch break. I found an all-you-can-eat sushi restaurant, which I'm so excited, so I'm gonna go eat there. Hello, good morning, good afternoon actually. It's like 12:30 p.m. I am gonna go to a cafe with a friend. She's already near the area, so I'm just gonna leave the housing place and meet her there. But I did want to show you guys, I'm wearing this dress I got from Zara and it's my first time wearing it and I love it so much. I'll set you guys up to show you how my dress looks. Also, a little inside scoop. Something happened last night to me, which was not lovely. If you know, you know who you are if you're watching, but yeah. Alright. We just finished brunch. We had it here at a cafe called Lilo Brunch and Specialty Coffee. Hey, here's my friend Ariana. We're gonna go to Montjuïc Castle right now. Hello, hello. Woke up bright and early today at 7 a.m. Now it's 8:29. I have to be downstairs by 8:50. I'm going on a boat trip today, going on a catamaran in Costa Brava, which is like an hour and a half outside of Barcelona. I'm wearing this dress. I got this from Zara a couple days ago. Before going on the catamaran, we're gonna go to a Roman ruins like near Costa Brava, but it's gonna be like touring the Roman ruins, something like that.
The Greeks built the big one. This building, it's called.
I'll do this for the rest of my life. And I'm well, no. A lot of
It probably was, yeah.
Why is so soft?
Necesitamos saber 4 cosas para estar aquí hoy, ¿sí?